Hey everybody, hope you guys are doing great and sound. So diving right into the topic for today, I'll show you how to log out of your YouTube account in your phone. So for that, open your settings application and under that search for apps. After you find it, press it. So after all the application will show in your device, you will search for YouTube account. Here, go to storage on the first menu. There you can see all the data and cache that has been saved by YouTube. So what you want to do is you want to clear it. Press OK. And after doing so, open your YouTube account. Let's see if it's working or not. So you see it is asking me if I want to choose an account for signing in. So that is how you log out of your YouTube account using your phone. So if this video was helpful, please follow us and we will see you in our next upload.